श्रीमद्भागवतं नमस्कारं टु श्रीमद्भागवतं निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः। नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातराजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि। नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्। In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, third Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Kapila Mahamuni teaching Bhakti Yogam to his mother Devahuti, saying that, O Janani Devahuti, you have to be meditating upon Paramatma's beautiful divine form, Vilakshya, Ekatra, Samyujyat, Ange Bhagavataha Munihi. Paramatma's divine form, each and every part should be meditated upon you differently. You have to focus on one part and meditate upon like that, not all of the parts together. Like that, if you keep on performing meditation upon Paramatma's divine form, now you are seeing Paramatma's beautiful divine lotus feet. Those divine feet, you have to enjoy the beauty of it. And in the bottom portion of those Paramatma's divine feet, there are beautiful indications: Vajra, Ankusha, Dvaja, Padma. There are so many beautiful designs in the bottom portion of Paramatma's divine feet. Now look at Paramatma's nails of the fingers of the divine feet. There such a wonderful effulgence, light is coming out of those nails of fingers of Paramatma's divine feet. And that light, that effulgence, that glow is driving away the entire of darkness which is there in our heart. And O Janani Devahuti, the water coming out of those divine feet of Sriman Narayana, Tirthena Murdhni Adhikrutena Sivaha Sivo Bhutu, that water itself is Ganga Jalam. That water became Ganga Jalam. Paramatma's Pada Tirtham became Ganga Jalam, and that water was held by Shiva on his head and he became Paramasiva. O Janani Devahuti, the papam which is accumulated in our manas, if that is like a big mountain, that mountain can be broken into pieces by one Vajram. That Vajram itself is Sriman Narayana's Padaravindam, Sriman Narayana's divine feet. That feet needs to be meditated by everyone. Like that, Kapila Mahamuni teaching Bhakti Yogam to Devahuti. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.